Have you ever wondered if using Zippay comes with a monthly fee? It's a common question, and today, we're diving deep into it. Imagine you're shopping online, and you're eyeing that perfect pair of sneakers. But, alas, your bank account is a little low. That's where Zippay can be a lifesaver. It allows you to buy now and pay later, making it a tempting option. But before you click that Buy Now button, it's crucial to understand the costs involved. So, does Zippay charge a monthly fee? No, Zippay doesn't charge a monthly fee. But there are other fees to consider. Breaking down the fees. Interest: if you don't pay off your balance in full by the due date, you'll be charged interest. This interest rate can vary depending on your creditworthiness. Late fees: if you miss a payment, you'll be charged a late fee. Purchase fees: some merchants might charge a fee for using Zippay. This is similar to how some stores charge a fee for using a credit card. Comparing Zippay to other payment options. Credit cards: while credit cards often have annual fees, they can offer rewards like points or miles. Zippay doesn't offer these rewards. Buy now, pay later, BNPL, alternatives: there are other BNPL services out there, and their fee structures can vary. It's worth comparing different options to find the best fit for you. Tips for using Zippay responsibly. Pay on time: always aim to pay off your balance in full by the due date to avoid interest charges. Track your spending: use Zippay's app or website to keep track of your purchases and ensure you're staying within your budget. Consider your credit: if you have a poor credit history, you may face higher interest rates or be denied for a Zippay account. Know your rights: understand your rights as a Zippay customer. This includes knowing what to do if you have a dispute or encounter a problem. Does Zippay charge a monthly fee? No, it doesn't. However, there are other fees to be aware of, such as interest, late fees, and potential purchase fees. Before using Zippay, carefully consider your financial situation and the potential costs involved. By understanding the terms and using Zippay responsibly, you can make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary fees. If you're considering using Zippay or another BNPL service, do your research and compare different options. And remember, always prioritize paying off your balance on time to avoid interest charges. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Zippay, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.